Raw Farm was started in 1998, and we say we do from grass to glass. So we do everything from the farming, we grow most of our own feed, then we have the dairy cows. Then we transform that into raw dairy products that people can consume at the store. When we started, all we did was milk, just fluid white milk. We had no cream, no butter, no cheese yet. We just did glass quarts in an old Federal. And from that, we grew and we morphed and we did glass bottles and we did plastic bottles and we did a whole product line adjustment and we were rolling. Everything was great. And then in January 2022, our creamery burned down. It was tragic for us as a family. But we didn't have time to cry. We had to get going. We had consumers wanting our product. We have 65 employees that needed us to keep going. So we just immediately flipped a switch into reaction mode. Immediately, we knew that we needed another Federal. I had never had any issues with the Federal filler. It worked like clockwork. It was just always the standard machine in our system that always worked. The Federal level fillers, to me, are gold standard. That's where it's at. Fully CIP-able, consistent, great parts, service with the Gem 4 capper. That's it for me. In our business, we cannot be down. We need a machine that works all the time, regularly. I want to show up in the morning and know that we're going to be able to bottle 6,000 gallons of milk and it's going to be start to finish reliable. And this filler is very reliable. I love that it's all pre-programmed. It already knows what speeds and what heights for the gallons and the half gallons and the quarts and the pints. We don't want to have a machine that needs a lot of fine tuning. We want to have a machine that's pretty much pre-programmed and we flip the switch and we go. The machine does all the work for you. Because we're running 4 different product lines, changeover is a big deal for us. And with this filler, changeovers are really a breeze. All the changeover parts are color coordinated. So once you've done it once or twice, you can't mess it up. It's made and engineered so the operator can put them on easily, take them off easily, and have a fast changeover. As far as the FAT, when we got to Holland, Michigan, it was fantastic. The service, the professionalism of how they were ready for us, greeted us, showed us the plant. It was really special. We're probably bottling now 60% more milk than we were before the fire. And I now know that if I didn't have the filler that we have, there's no way I could keep up with orders. We absolutely are going to be buying more Federal fillers. And my end goal, when it's all said and done, is I want to have a Federal level filler for every product line. There's no better way to go than a Federal.